You're back. You're back just to see me? No, I know you're not. You're just here to learn slope. Hey, but I'm here to teach it to you. All right? So let's get going. All right. So how do we find the slope between 2 points? Well, easy. Here we go. Make sure you have your pad ready. You know me. I want you to take down notes. All right? I want you to take down notes. Pause the video. Watch it again. Whatever you need to do to make sure you understand this. Hey, in the comments, let me know. Oh, excuse me. What other information am I missing? All right? If you ask me questions there, I'll answer them. All right, let's get going for real. I wrote down an order pair here. I can't find it. Let's just make one up. Here we go. So, we're going to find the slope between 2 points. So here are my points. Let's see, 1, 4. And what's the other point? The other point would be 2, 8. We'll keep it positive because right now we're just learning how to find the slope. We don't want to deal with negatives right now. No negatives. Keep it positive. All right. For real, though. Stop playing. All right. So look at my order pairs here. Normally, you'll get a word problem giving you 2 ordered pairs, or they'll just give you the order pairs and tell you to find the slope depending on what the exam who's making the exam and so forth. What you need to know is the slope formula. Okay, so the slope formula goes like this. M stands for slope. Okay, M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, you just heard me. I say y2, y1. Usually, depending on who your professor, teacher is, they'll start saying y sub 2, y sub 1, y sub 3, whatever. All that means is the first y and the second y, the first x and the second x, right? So the question is, which one is the first one, which is the second one, right? Because here are my order pairs. Which one is what? Well, they're always going to give them to you in order. If it's a word problem. If you're on a graph, then you just got to look at where the graph started and find them from there. So here on this one, this would be my first one, and this would be my second one. All right. So let's label them. This will be my x1. This is my y1. This is my x2. This is my y2. So basically, I'm just gonna plug them in here. That's all I'm gonna do. Notice the 2 y's are subtracting each other, and the 2 x's subtract each other. So it's gonna be 8 minus 4 and 2 minus 1. Written like this. 8 minus 4. That's this one here and this one here. And then 2 minus 1. Okay? So 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 over 1, depending on your teacher. Like I said, this is the slope. You can leave it as 4 over 1. I'm fine if my students leave it this way. If they just want to write 4, I'm fine with that too, right? Because this is the beginning stages of how to find the slope. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. You just found the slope. The slope of this particular line that goes through the points 1, 4 and 2, 8. Those are 2 order points. There's a line going through it, and this is a slope. Listen, what I really want you to understand is, what is slope? Slope is really the pace at which the line grows. Even if it's negative, how fast is it moving? Think of the line when it's growing as a car that is moving. How fast is it moving? 10 miles an hour, 30 miles an hour. This one happens to be moving, let's say, 4 miles an hour. Makes sense? That's the pace at which it grows. So I hope you're starting to get an understanding of slope and definitely how to find the slope. All right? Slope formula. That's what you need to use, and it's right here. All right. Thank you guys for watching. You have a good day.